Hi friends, welcome to Alpha Kids. Let's learn the alphabet.
అక్షరాలు ABC.
A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fox, G for goat, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kangaroo, L for lion, F for monkey, N for nest, O for oval, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for tree, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Thank you, friends. Let's say socks.